Hey everyone, in this video we're going to talk about affiliate marketing, a powerful way to make money online by promoting other people's products. If you're interested in learning more about affiliate marketing, you've come to the right place. So let's get started. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing where an affiliate earns a commission for promoting another person's or company's product. The affiliate searches for a product they like, promotes that product, and earns a percentage of the profit from each sale they make. The sales are tracked via affiliate links from one website to another. How does affiliate marketing work? First, you need to find an affiliate program that offers products or services that align with your niche or interests. You can find affiliate programs through networks like Amazon Associates or ClickBank, or directly through the companies that offer them. Once you've found a program you want to work with, you'll need to sign up and get approved as an affiliate. Then you'll receive a unique affiliate link that you can use to promote the product. To promote the product, you can create content such as blog posts, videos, or social media posts that include your affiliate link. When someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. Tips for success in affiliate marketing. Number 1. Choose products that align with your niche or interests to make promotion easier. Number 2. Create high-quality content that provides value to your audience and includes your affiliate link. Number 3. Build an audience through social media, email lists, or other means to increase your chances of making sales. Number 4. Track your results to see which strategies are working and which ones aren't. Here is the list of top affiliate programs. Number 1. Amazon Associates. Number 2. Share a Sale Affiliates. Number 3. ClickBank. Number 4. CJ Affiliate Publishers Program. Number 5. eBay Partners. Number 6. Rakuten Marketing Affiliates. Number 7. Shopify Affiliate Program. Number 8. Bluehost Affiliate Program. Number 9. Solid Affiliate. Number 10. Leadpages Partner Program. Would you like to discover a shortcut to becoming a super Amazon affiliate even faster? Are you ready to become a super Amazon affiliate a lot faster? If the answer is yes, click the link below in description. That's it for today's video on affiliate marketing. Remember, affiliate marketing can be a great way to earn extra income online, but it takes time and effort to be successful. So keep learning, keep experimenting, and keep promoting those products. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.